but now it's gonna cost you an arm and a leg because you graduated from YouTube University. If you break one piece, I'll break two more. Good morning mga kahandsome. I've got an exciting video for today. This one, I ask his permission. Brother Ali,
Yeah, brother.
welcome to the Handsome Mechanic. The purpose of this video is to show you the benefit of either taking the law in your own hands or taking the problem to the mechanic. Right, Ali? Okay. Tell my followers, what is your problem?
Problem, I tried to fix my car.
Oh, what car do you have?
Subaru.
What Subaru?
Liberty.
Liberty. Oh shit, now you took
I
the
tried
Liberty.
to fix it, I make it worse and cost myself 500 more. If you don't have a skill, don't do it.
What did you do? What did you do?
I make it more leaking the oil.
So you tried to, one by one, you tried to fix the brake. What happened to the brake?
The first of the repo give me the wrong oil.
Wrong oil.
Yeah, they gave me the something wrong.
Oh shoot, I hope
and
you,
I added to it.
I hope you didn't put the cooking oil in there.
No, I just make the egg or omelette with a brown.
Then you wanted to jack up the transmission.
Yes.
But
and
you
I
jack-
put it wrong place.
You put it in the wrong place.
Wrong.
So what happened now?
And now it's more leaking.
You damaged the?
Yes.
Your transmission is leaking, so you wanted to see
I
how
don't know
it's
if
going.
the transmission or
The engine.
pan.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see. You guys have stuff more fancy under.
Yes, yes.
All good, brother.
You,
Let's go.
you tried to save money,
I
but
will
now it's
make
gonna
it.
cost you an arm and a leg because you graduated from YouTube University.
But with the electrical, I'm more perfect.
Did you use
than
Chat?
mechanical.
Did you choose ChatGPT too?
No, I'm not that.
Oh, that's your
much
problem.
technology. No, I'm not going with that.
That's your problem. You didn't use ChatGPT.
Nah, that makes me worse.
You know how to avoid Google this time? You marry a smart lady.
I still got the Druitt. It's on clean. I don't want anymore.
You don't want to know. Okay, how can I help you today?
Fix my car.
Fix
Back
your
to the
car.
road to take
Okay.
my kids out. That's
Okay.
it.
Bring the car here. How soon can you bring the car here?
Yeah, just I'm here.
How soon?
Huh?
How soon?
I think 30 seconds.
How are you gonna bring it? There is no oil.
Huh?
There is no brakes.
That's okay.
You're gonna drive it and
I'm
then
not sure,
and then
but-
make the sign of cross. Yala.
No, it's sit with safety for 30 second drive. And then go back to the road until the guy fixes it.
Do not do this at home. Only professional. Only Ali do this. But how did you find us?
Went to different address, I find you guys.
Oh, so you
I'm
trying?
looking for another mechanic, I find you guys and I stop.
You sure you are in the right place now?
Yeah, I saw that.
You feel you are in the right place?
Yes, I am.
Do you wanna try the other? There is another
No,
mechanic
no,
next door.
Anywhere I'm stop.
Are you sure?
No more move.
Ah,
If you guys say we not fix it, I'm looking. But
Okay.
if you guys fix it, I'm not going next.
Oh, I will fix it, my friend. If you break one piece, I'll break two more.
It's not expensive car.
Anyway, Ali, thank you. Shukran Katir.
No worries, brother.
Shukran Habibi. Bring your car and then we'll talk. You should be here.